Hey gang, this is Fast Eddie from Fast Eddys Keys Express Locksmithing out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. So, key fobs, proximity reader keys, the type that you can push a button on the dashboard with and start your vehicle as long as that fob is with you in the vehicle. Let's talk about that. We're getting a lot of calls lately that insist that they're watching YouTube videos that tell them that if their batteries die and they change the batteries and they put a new battery in there and it doesn't work, that they need to hire a locksmith to come out and reprogram it to the vehicle. This is a lie. They're scamming you. So anyway, what they're trying to do is a scammer locksmith trying to create more money for themselves. There's one of two problems. One, you need to take the battery out and flip it around. You probably got it in backwards. Or you need a whole new fob because there's something wrong with it, or your car computer's broken. People don't want to hear this. You know, they get angry when they call up and we tell them this. It's just hilarious. It's like, excuse me, 35 years experience? You watch a YouTube and now you're a pro? It's like, gang, listen to me. These fobs do not lose memory. Your car computer just doesn't lose memory and needs that fob reprogrammed in. You either have the battery in backwards, or the remote's no good, or your computer's no good. And folks don't want to hear this. They want to scream at us, cuss at us. It's just hilarious. They waste probably 2 weeks out of their life arguing with everybody until they finally drag it off to the dealership and really get screwed. But that's my advice. Listen to me. Don't listen to these YouTube videos. They're just trying to come out, switch your battery around, and then charge you big money for reprogramming. It's a scam. Listen, they don't know what they're talking about. They're full of crap. So I hope that helps you. We'll talk to you soon. This is Fast Eddie from Keys Express. Fast Eddie's Keys Express from Minneapolis, Minnesota. Thank you.